Assalamualaikum dear students, how are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Allah. This is Sabrina Jahan Bhuiya, Assistant Teacher of English, National Daily English Version School Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take English language class for the students of class 3. Look dear students, here our today's topic is lesson 16 and we will do exercise 2 and 3 from this lesson, and lesson 17 and we will do from this lesson exercise 1 and 2, and this is our lecture number 15, SW number 13. Now please follow the board. Look here. From lesson 16, the topic is adverbs of manner, time and place. Dear students, at first I am going to read some sentences, okay? Look here, read these questions and answers. How did the children play? The children played quietly. Then look, when did you visit the Taj Mahal? We visited the Taj Mahal yesterday. Then, where did he place that book? He placed the book on the table there. Now look dear students, now we will learn what is adverb. Words that tell us more about verbs are called adverbs. Words that tell us more about verbs are called adverbs. Okay, they tell us how, when and where an action takes place. Look, adverbs of manner show how actions are done. Adverbs of manner show how actions are done. Okay, then look here, my mother walked slowly. My mother walked slowly. Then another example, the boy ate quickly. The boy ate quickly. So dear students, look here, the word slowly, this colored word, slowly, quickly, all of these examples are the examples of adverbs of manner. So dear students, what we have learned? We have learned that words that tell us more about verbs are called what? Adverbs. And they tell us how, when and where an action takes place. Okay? And what is adverbs of manner? Adverbs of manner show how actions are done. And its examples are what? Like slowly, quickly, quietly. Okay, look dear students, here are some more adverbs of manner, like honestly, happily, clearly, smartly, slowly, silently, easily, angrily. Okay, look here, most adverbs of manner end in ly. They are usually formed by adding ly to adjectives. There are some rules for making adverbs from adjectives. Look here, the word of adjective is quick and its adverb form is what? Quickly. Rule of changing, add ly at the end of the word. Okay, then look another example, the word angry. Okay, and its adjective form is what? Angry. Angry's adverb form is what? Angrily. When the adjectives ends in y, change y to I and then add ly. Okay, then the word gentle, its adverb form is what? Gently. When the adjective ends in e, sometimes the e is dropped and ly is added. Okay, that means li is added. Then look, adverbs of time show when an action takes place. Like Aditi is going to Rahul's birthday party tomorrow. Yesterday he went to see a film. Okay, here are some more adverbs of time like today, now, late, ago, soon, early, etc. Now we will learn adverb of place. So look dear students, here adverbs of place show where an action takes place. For example, he put the packet down. The accident took place here. So look dear students, here this colored word down, here, all of these are the examples of adverbs of place. So what we have learned from this discussion? Adverbs of time show when an action takes place and adverbs of place show where an action takes place. Here you will learn some examples of adverbs of place like up, down, above, below, in, out, here, there, etc. Now we will do exercise. From this lesson we will do exercise 2 and 3. Look dear students, from exercise 2, complete these sentences with adverbs from the box. In this box you will get some words like above, here, ago, tomorrow, politely, sweetly, somewhere. Look here, number 1. Rani has a sweet voice. She sings dash. Look dear students, here we have to write what? If we want to make a meaningful sentence, then we have to write here the adverb which name is what? Sweetly. Okay, she sings sweetly. Then look, number 2. This is the post office. You can buy stamps. You have to write here. Okay, from this box we will put the word, we will take the word here and we have to write in this gap here. Okay, this is the post office. You can buy stamps here. Then number 3, he has hidden the key dash in this room. Look dear students, in this gap we have to write somewhere. Okay, from this box we will take the word somewhere and write this in this gap. Then look dear students, now our next question number 4. Sonu stood at the gate and greeted the guest dash. Here we have to write politely. Sonu stood at the gate and greeted the guest politely. Then number 5, the old monument was built many years dash. We have to write here ago, many years ago. Okay, we have to write here many years ago. Then look, number 6, it is a long drive, we will reach the town dash. Here we have to write here, we reach the town tomorrow. We reach the town tomorrow. Okay, then number 7, she waved the flag dash her head. Here we have to write above. She waved the flag above her head. So like this way we have to write these gaps. Okay, and then exercise number 3, look here, complete these sentences with the adverb forms of the adjectives in the box. You will get some clues in this box and you have to take help from these clues to fill these gaps. Okay, look here, number 1, the children cheered their team dash loudly. Here we have to write loudly. Okay, then number 2, mother lifted the sleeping baby dash from the cot. Here we have to write gently. Okay, so here to make a meaningful sentence we have to write here the adverb which name is what? Gently. Okay, then look, number 3, it was a terrible accident. Luckily no one was hurt. Luckily no one was hurt. Okay, so from this box we will take the word lucky and we have to add here, instead of the y we have to add here ILY. Okay, luckily. Then look, number 4, the thief crept up their stairs dash. Look, we have to write here quietly. Look, in this box we will take the adverb what? We will take here, look here, we have to take the word quiet and then we have to write it properly. The thief crept up the stairs quietly. We have to write here the adverb of quietly. Okay, then number 5, it has been raining dash all day. Here we have to write heavily. It has been raining heavily all day. Okay, so then number 6, Mr. Roy solved the problem dash. Here we have to write Mr. Roy solved the problem easily. We have to write here Mr. Roy solved the problem easily. Okay dear students, so here we have complete these sentences with the adverb forms of the adjectives in the box. Okay, so like this way we will do all of these exercises. Then listen to me now. Now we will do lesson number 17. Okay, adverbs of comparison. Adverbs of comparison now we will do. Look here, read this conversation. How was the dance competition? It was wonderful. Farida danced gracefully. Nadia danced more gracefully than Farida. But Sonia danced the most gracefully of them all. Look dear students, here Farida danced gracefully, but Nadia danced more gracefully than Farida. So dear students, in this second sentence we have found the comparison between two persons, Farida and Nadia. Okay, and look here, but Sonia danced the most gracefully of them all. And in the last line, dear students, we have found that the comparison between of all the students, of all the friends. Okay, look here, but Sonia danced the most gracefully of them all. Now we will learn what is about the topic. Look, adverbs can also be compared like adjectives. Okay, adverbs can also be compared like adjectives. Adverbs also take er for the comparative form and the est for the superlative form. Okay, for example, early in the its comparative form is what? Earlier. and its superlative form is what? Earliest. Okay, dear students. So here look the next example first. Its comparative form is what? Faster. When we will do its comparative form, at that time we have to add what? ER after the word. Okay, ER, faster, and its superlative form will be what? We have to add here EST. Okay, fastest. Okay, then the next example, near, nearer, nearest. Look, with most adverbs we use more and most. For example, carefully. Its comparative form more carefully, and its superlative form most carefully. Okay. Look dear students, when we will found only one syllable, at that time we have to add only ER with its comparative form, and we have to add EST with its superlative form. And when we will get the more syllable, at that time we have to use more in comparative form, and we have to use most in the form of superlative. Okay. Then look, beautifully, its comparative form is what? More beautifully, and its superlative form is what? Most beautifully. Dear students, when we will compare two person or two things when we will compare with each another, at that time we have to use comparative form. Okay, we have to use comparative form. But when we will compare them more than two persons or more than two things, at that time we have to use superlative form. Okay, now we will do exercise 1 from lesson number 17. Okay, look here, complete these sentences with the correct forms of the adverbs in the brackets. Number 1, aeroplane can fly high, in bracket high, then worse. We have to write here higher. Number 2, Karishma finished the sum, in bracket quickly, then Asha did. Here we have to write quickly here. Number 3, he worked dash, in bracket hard, then ever before this time. Here we have to write harder. Okay, look dear students, here we have compared two things. Okay, here we have compared two things. For this reason we have to use here comparative form. Okay, look, then number 4, we could finish this project more easily. Here in bracket easily with a computer, you have to write here more easily. We could finish this project more easily with a computer. Then number 5, Robert had an accident last month. Now he drives dash than before. Here we have to write more carefully than before. Then number 6, Amisha sings the dash, in bracket sweetly, of all the girls. Here you have to write most sweetly. Look here, these compared of all the girls. If we compare these things, here we will find that Amisha sings sweetly than of more than of all the girls. Okay. So here we have to write here Amisha sings the most sweetly. Okay. Most sweetly of all the girls. So here we have found the compared more than two things. Okay. Look, then number 7, Suraya writes dash, in bracket neatly, than her sister does. So dear students, here we have to write more neatly. Suraya writes more neatly than her sister does. Then exercise number 2, correct the circle the correct adverbs of comparison to complete these sentences. Okay, look, first one, this book explains the chapter, in bracket you have to circle the correct answer. You have to circle the correct answer more clearly than the box, than that box. Then look, number 2, Akshay goes to bed. You have to correct answer here later. You have to circle here later than his brother does. Number 3, Shobnam reads first or faster than I do. Look dear students, here correct answer will be faster, and you have to circle the word. And number 4, they fought bravely or more bravely than the others did. Here you have to circle the word more bravely. Okay, they fought more bravely than the others did. Now number 5, my grandfather walks more slowly or most slowly than my grandmother. Look dear students, here we have found the comparison between two persons. Okay, look, my grandfather walks between two things, my grandfather walks more slowly than my grandmother. Here the comparison between grandfather and grandmother. For this reason we have to use more. Okay, look, that means comparative form. So number 5 will be what? My grandfather walks more slowly than my grandmother. So here we have to circle the word more slowly. Dear students, here you will get here you have to write as your SW word. You have to write exercise number 3 from lesson 16. Okay dear students, you have to write as your SWO from lesson 16 exercise 3. Okay dear students, as your SW work and submit it on next Saturday. So dear students, hope you have understood our today's topic. See you again in our next class. Allah Hafiz everyone.